Today we're going to get back to work on the 1988 Kawasaki Klr R650.
Welcome to our little shop here on Camano Island. I'm the old dude, and I've been turning wrenches longer than this guy's been alive.
I'm the young dude. Still learning, still breaking stuff, and still trying to keep up with him.
We work on cars, bikes, boats, anything that rolls, floats, and rides, and sometimes doesn't run at all.
We do it on a budget in our home shop with a lot of trial and error and maybe a few busted knuckles.
Welcome to JJ's shop.
JJ's shop.
Let's move this pig to the outside here. Okay. Well, first things first. Did we spray any of this, Jeffrey? Did we spray any of this? We didn't, did we? Did we?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Where is our TV? How is this? Have we got a charge on this thing? This is ADD mine here. Let's see if we got something going on here. That's all we're going to run that one there. Also, just in case nobody's ever told you, shutting these things off with ignition up here isn't really a good idea. You should always use the kill button and then turn the ignition to the off. That's just, I don't know if it's an old wives' tale or old wives' tale or something like that or not, but sounded good to me. Somebody who knows more than me told me that I should do that, right? So that's what we do. Always shut off with the kill switch and then go back and put the ignition. Always. We gotta clean that up. That's that. You peed all over the place.
Well.
Oh, buddy. One down and it didn't break. That's good.
Yep.
That's good. Was there a washer? Your mouth guy in there? What is going on out there? I hear noises. Oh, Jeffrey. We got another one here. Zip tied to that. There's one broken Open one there. We got one zip tie back here. That looks pretty. Ooh. Looks pretty cruddy here, Jeffrey. Oh, I got it. I got it. Can you believe that? Holy smoke. 2 for 2, Jeffrey. 2 for 2. Oh, this has a supposed to have a pin that goes in there. Snaps in there. Clips in there. Pops in there. Alrighty. I'll get the cutters and get that one off in a minute. We got a place to put all these screws here, Jeffrey.
How about a magnetic tray?
How about a magnetic tray? We have a magnetic tray.
Yep.
On to the other side here. There was a washer. See that?
Yep.
There was a washer. There's a washer on the other side too. And it fell down in the bushes there. There's plastic. Is it plastic? No, it's metal.
You can replace them.
Yeah, let's put it like that. Oh, no, that's plastic. Ooh, it fell on the ground. We're going to put that right there next to the tray. Okay. Well,
Looks like it has another zip tie
we
there.
got 2 zip ties. We got 2 zip ties there, Jeffrey. And nothing there. Oh, there. See, there's the pin back there. See, that's how it's supposed to go, right back there. See that? Right there. That's how it's supposed to be on the other side. And then you just pop it like that. All right. I have to go get the alternative lifestyle pliers and cut that. Put those zip ties.
Oh. Huh?
Apparently, we can reuse that on there. We'll put that there. Put that one there. And I'll give this one a quick little cut here. There we go. Okay. Huh. Jeffrey has a fan. Has a radiator fan. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Okay. And it looks like it's all in good shape down here. No corrosion. Yeah, okay, maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. Alrighty. Okay. What do we got left? Let me get this tank off here, Jeffrey. What do we have left? Vent pipe. Fuel hose. Okay. Vent pipe. And that's a rough shape for Jeffrey. I don't know if we're ever going to get that thing to move again. Maybe. Okay. Well, these two, this. Off the thing.
Yeah.
Yep. Got the those going to be the infamous 10mm sockets, Jeffrey?
Probably.
That's what I'm thinking. 10mm socket, right? Yeah, that's good. It's a family channel. It's not.
Yep.
Vent. On. Come right off of there, Jeffrey, as soon as I get those 10mm off of there. And,
It's like you might need that to take that off.
Oh. Is that attached to that?
Yep.
Are we missing a side panel on this side? We are missing a
Might
side
be.
plate. We're missing a side plate over here.
Oh, we'll add that to the list.
We'll add that to the list. For sure. How easy do you think it's going to be to get one of those?
Well, who knows?
Exactly. Who knows? Well, before I blast that screw off, we'll hit it with a little PB blaster. Little PB blaster. There we go. There we go. I'll hit those as well. Okay. 10mm?
Probably.
Wasn't much to that.
It's always a good thing.
Always a good thing. Always a good thing. I don't like when things argue with us.
That's for sure.
I don't like that. Oh, I gotta get that off there still. You gotta remind me of those things, Jeffrey. I gotta get that one off there. Gotta get that one off there.
Yep.
Yeah, you know. Oh, shoot, are you kidding me?
Come right off.
Alright off.
That's always a good sound, right?
It's always a good thing. Alrighty. Where are we gonna put that, Jeffrey?
On the,
Right there in our aluminum tray.
Of course.
Magnetic tray. Right there. Alright. Are we ready?
sure.
We're gonna get this thing off of here. Oh my god. Oh, what? Oop. What's holding us? What's holding us here, Jeffrey? Crossover. Crossover? Do the crossover? Hey, what's on there? Are you kidding me? What is that? Is that a return line? I bet. What is that? Another line on here, Jeffrey. Oh, that's going to be the vent. That one right there. Okay. Dirty load.
Yeah.
Probably. That'll be a bad day then, Jeffrey. That'll be a bad day. Alrighty.
Oh, you got her. Ooh.
Still something in there. Yeah, it's not a good something.
No.
There's something in there. Yeah. Where are we gonna let this thing continue to leak at?
On the grass. Right there.
That's not really environmentally friendly. How about we just set it right there?
Sure.
We'll deal with that in a little bit. Alright. So, finally, Jeffrey, we are open to our spark plug here. What do you see on top of that cylinder there, Jeffrey? What do you see on top of the cylinder? What do you see in there? What do you see?
I see some FOD.
A lot of FOD.
A lot of FOD.
A lot of FOD. We don't want to...
People don't know FOD is foreign object debris.
That's right. We don't want any of that going down in our spark plug hole there. So what we're going to do is wonder, can I make it over here with that air hose? Ooh. I got an idea. I got an idea, Jeffrey.
Oh boy.
Yeah. I got an idea. You know, not that we don't have like a couple, 2 or 3 or 4 vacuums around here, handheld, and everything else. We just can't find it when we need them.
Of course.
Oh, there it is, right there. Look at that. There it is. I guess we'll just use that. Guess we'll just use that. My daughter and the girls just got home. Alright. Yeah. So, got a little PB blaster down in here, Jeffrey, but we still have like a lot of dirt and stuff in around the spark plug here. I couldn't even see the spark plug to get a good shot of PB blast on there. So let's dig that out a little bit, and then we'll vacuum a little more, and we'll dig a little bit more, and we'll vacuum a little bit more, and I mean, pretty much just organic debris, but still. We would like her as clean as possible. Clean as possible.
Alrighty, yeah, thank you again for another fun-filled episode here at JJ's Shop. Thank you for joining us again. We're out of time for today. So if you wouldn't mind, please hit the like and subscribe button. Share the video with friends, if you will. And then, of course, leave us a comment. What you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video. And thanks again for joining us.